YouTube family, welcome to another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you like what you see, you can subscribe. I would really appreciate it. In this video, we're going to talk about one brand and one brand only, and that brand is Natural Essentials. I have a lot to say about this brand. I have a lot to show you regarding this brand, so we need to get going to get through this video, because the way I basically ordered something them, enough something, I'm gonna know if I know how to go. First and foremost, just want to let you guys know I am a brand ambassador for Natural Essentials. I've been a brand ambassador now for, I would say, almost a year. Maybe it has been a year, but I've been a brand ambassador of hers for a while now. So I just wanted to make sure that was transparent, let you guys know that I am a brand ambassador for Natural Essentials. And even before I was a brand ambassador, I was buying her products, supporting her products. So it's not like I'm just now jumping on the brand. No, I was buying, supporting, loving, and showcasing this brand way before I became brand ambassador. So a little bit about Natural Essentials before I show you the product. It is just a really bomb, dope company, and that is how I can describe it. It is run by Annie. She is right here. She is a beautiful woman of color. I've always just repped hard for her. I think it's her work ethics that get me more than anything. If you guys follow her Instagram or watch her journey, her work ethics are just superb. This lady works morning, noon, and night. She also has a family with children, and she was just on it. Like, she never complained. She was just on it, doing her thing, and every time you see a post from her, it's always something positive about her brand, about her business. And I'm like, when do you have the time? When did I do all them something here? And her Instagram, her website, the aesthetic is so beautiful. And I'm like, when did she have the time to do this? And it always puzzled my mind. Recently, she's now quit her regular job and she's just on her own with the business, and I'm just saying, she's just, you think she had done it before? She's on a roll now. So I really feel honored and just happy, and I'm just humbled to be part of, you know, to be one of her brand ambassadors. I really truly rep for Annie. Like, she knows I rep for her. Anyway, let's get into, so in this video I want to show you some products that I've purchased from her, some of my favorite products, all the products, give you guys my thoughts, and then at the end of this video there'll also be a giveaway for you guys to also get some of her products. The coconut cream lip scrub, I still have a little bit, still so good, left inside. I've used it quite a bit. I am running a little bit low, but this is the lip scrub. And I use it to exfoliate my lips ever so often. Whenever, because especially now that it's winter time, my lips do get dry. And especially if I don't hydrate myself with enough water, my lips get very dry. So the lip scrub definitely helps. So one of my favorite products from her as well. I also have, I love her lip balms. So I have 3 of her lip balms. I have 2 of the herbal medleys. This one is herbal medley, this one is herbal medley, and this one is vanilla. Why do I have so many lip balms? Because I want to. I feel me, I my money by it. And also because I put them all around the house. Like, you know, this is a lot of real estate right here. See this? It's a lot. And I need to make sure it looks the best it can look all the time, which means that I keep my lips moisturized and hydrated as much as possible, which means I need these to be everywhere. So I have one in the bathroom, one in my bedroom, and one down here in the, actually I have 4, because I have one in the car as well. I think the other one is another vanilla. I think I have 2 vanillas and 1 herbal medley. So yeah, one in the bathroom, one in my bedroom, one down here in the beauty space, and I have one in the car, because I just like to always have it available when I need it. Of all the 3 though, to be honest, I think the vanilla is my favorite. I love the herbal medleys, but the vanilla is my favorite. Something about the scent, it just smells really good. But the vanilla, I just love the vanilla the most. The herbal medleys, they have a very medicinal scent. Not very, but it has more, like I said, an herbal medicinal scent. But the vanilla, I love them, but the vanilla is my favorite. So if you're looking to purchase it, get the one that you want, but the vanilla is my personal favorite. So I need to stock up on this because Yeah, this one I went through it. This one is done. You can't tell, but this one is completely done. This is her Happy Edges. And this is a hair growth essential oil blend of rosemary, cedarwood, and lavender. And what it does is it's for your hairline, or you can use it on your eyebrows, wherever you need hair growth. And it is in a roller ball form, and you just apply it wherever you see fit. And it should stimulate hair growth. I've been using it for a while now because on this side of my hair, this side is much thinner than this side. I'm not sure if you guys can see the difference, but this side is a little bit more full than this side. And on this side, as you can see, the little baby hairs are coming along just fine. I use it constantly. I just rub it in and good to go. So when I finish this, I'll give you guys an update on how this progressed, but so far I'm loving it. My edges are happy. This could possibly be one of my favorite products from her website, hands down. Could possibly be. This is, I think, my second bottle of this. I think it is just what it is, a hair and body spray, but something about the scent, the scent is just, I can't, and you know I love describing scent, but I just love the scent of it. It has a very warm scent. I just love it. I think it has hints of vanilla in it, but it just has a very warm, fresh scent, and I absolutely love this. When I wear this, I do get a lot of compliments. I mean, it's not going to be like a perfume where you can smell it from a distance, but when people get close to you or when you smell it on your skin, it's a very relaxing, soothing, fresh, bright, yet vanilla-y kind of scent. I really absolutely love it. I really think I can't do without this. I really can't. Like, this is something that I will constantly repurchase from her because I really think it is one of my favorite products from her. And I go, when I spray, I spray it, and I just I just enjoy it for the rest of the day. So this is a must-have in my opinion. Next in the body care line, this is the body wash. This is the Eucalyptus, Spearmint, and Ginger body wash. I am basically almost out. It is down to here. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is a very relaxing scent. This body wash is, I prefer it more in this time where it's like fall and winter time. For the summertime, I like the Island Vibes body wash, but this time, because it has a very, you know, it's more of a spearmint eucalyptus kind of scent, so it gives you that fall vibes. Love the way my bathroom smells after using this. Love the way my skin feel. Love it, love it, love it. The hand butter. Now I recently got this one. I've never had her hand butter before, but I recently got this one. And I said it smelled. I love the scent of it first of all. It's like a tropical, but a clean tropical scent. I love it. Like I said, I recently got this one, so it's not, I haven't made a dent in it yet. But when I tell you that the scent lasts on your body, as a hand cream, especially now when it's like, you know, fall, it just has a really clean and tropical scent, and it really moisturizes your hand, get rid of all the ash. You know, we can't be ashy in this season. Well, we can't be ashy ever. Forget what season it is. But it just smells delicious, really delicious, and it really moisturizes your hand. So when I do my next empties video, whenever I finish this, I'll be sure to let you guys know the results of how this goes. But I just got it, and so far, I'm loving it. This is the face wash. And this face wash, the reason why I like it is because it's very simple, very gentle, not too complicated. The ingredients are simple. Well, just to let you guys know, all her products, the ingredients are very simple, very clean ingredients. So we're not talking about chemical products here. We're talking about simple, clean ingredient products, okay? I should have said that before, you know. I don't know why I didn't. But this is the Organic Castile Soap and Essential Oils Face Wash. And that's why I love it, because it's just a basic Castile soap. It has a nice peppermint scent to it. And it's just a basic Castile soap face wash. I like to use this after I remove my makeup sometimes, or even in the morning when I'm getting ready to take a shower and I wash my face with this. Cleans your face really good. It is really good at cleaning the face. I realize I'm talking a lot about these products, so I have to move a little bit faster, but I also want to make sure I dedicate enough time to each product. So if the video is long, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna love the product then. The Baking Soda Face Scrub. Empty finish. I like this product. It is a gentle face scrub because it's made with baking soda, so the particles are really, really tiny. I'm gonna really, really exfoliate your face and massage your face and really get in there and really clean your face. So if you're interested in a face scrub, I would recommend this one. Yeah, I don't have much. I really like this product. Was cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. This product was cool. It wasn't like one of my wow products, but this product was cool. It served its purpose, cleaned my face. It was a face scrub. Now this next product though, this one right here, this is the face gel, and this is another one of my top contenders, another must-have wow product, because particularly for me, my skin loves this product. It is the Soothing Aloe Vera Face Gel. It's made with aloe vera gel and other essential oils, and my skin particularly loves this product. So for me, this is a must-have at all times. After I wash my face, and usually before I go to bed, I apply this product, and my skin just loves it. It loves aloe vera gel. So for me, this product works, and I would definitely recommend it. It is one of my favorites from her product line. Now let's move into what she is known for, what her website is known for, and those are her candles. So let me get the candles together and I'll be right back. Let me clear the space of everything else and I'll come back. Let's get into the candles. Let's start with the one that I'm burning now. This is the eucalyptus. This is the eucalyptus and spearmint candle. I don't know why I can't talk today. This one has a very, very relaxing scent to it. Obviously by the name, it's eucalyptus and spearmint, so very relaxing. This is my favorite candle for the bedroom. I love this candle most in my bedroom, especially at night, like when I come home from work. I usually light this candle when I come home from work, just to give my bedroom that vibe, that relaxing feeling, so that when I do go to bed, the entire room smells like eucalyptus and spearmint. It relaxes me, helps me to sleep. The reason why it's burning down here is because I've used up all of my other candles. I need to re-up on the candles, so I had to have something burning, and this is what I have left. So this I would recommend as a bedroom candle. If that wherever your relaxing space is, or whichever space in your house is your relaxing space that you like to relax and unwind, that's where I would recommend this candle for. And for me, that is my bedroom. The patchouli and lemongrass candle. This candle I liked. I really wanted more of a lemongrass kick from this one. I really did. It was a gentle lemongrass, and I wanted more of a punch of lemongrass. You know, like I wanted the lemongrass to just hit me in my face really hard. It was more of a gentle, in my opinion, for this one. I still liked it. I like to burn this one in either my entryway to my house or even my living room. For some reason, those are two places that I like to burn this candle. The infamous Island Vibes candle. Okay, it's empty, it's done, but I can still get a little whiff of it, so I remember what it smelled like. And this candle was the candle for the summer. This was a summer controller, the summer banger. This was the candle for the summertime, let me tell you guys. I will burn this everywhere, because summertime, it doesn't matter to me. So I had this size, and I also had the miniature version as well. And the miniature version looks like this. And that one I would take with me if I'm traveling somewhere, so that, you know, the hotel or wherever I was staying would smell like, so that the hotel or wherever I would stay would have, you know, a little touch of Natural Annie essential there as well. But this one, oh my gosh, your house would smell so tropical, like you're on a beach in Jamaica eating fresh fruits. Tropical. Island Vibes was definitely the summer banger. One of my favorites. Lemon and vanilla. This is more of a kitchen scent for me. Yeah, I think I burned this more in the kitchen and also in the bathroom, yes, because I like citrus scents in my kitchen, and I also like vanilla kind of spice scents in my bathroom. I know I'm a little bit weird. I have particular rooms I like to burn certain candles. It's just me. I mean, it does spread throughout the house, but the where it's more potent is, you know, I'm just weird like that. Okay, just accept it. So this is more of a kitchen / bathroom scent for me. Lemon and vanilla. This one right here. This might not be for everybody, but it was definitely for me. This one is a saffron and ginger, and this is part of her fall line, the new fall collection. Oh my gosh. Definitely a spice scent. If you're not into spice scents or spices, this is not for you. But this is definitely a spice scent. And this was my kitchen scent. Do not take this candle out of my kitchen. It just was I just only liked it in my kitchen. And whenever I'm cooking, I always lit this candle. No matter what I'm cooking, I always lit this candle. Saffron and ginger is a combination that I wouldn't think would go well together, but it is amazing. It is just amazing. This is also added to the list of one of my favorite candles from her, one of my favorite products. But like I said, it's a spice scent. If you're not into spices, it's not for you. But this one, it just always made my kitchen smell so good. I really loved this one. Okay, all right. Moving on because the video gets too long. This is also a new candle. I recently received this one from her fall line as well. And this is the Bohemian Fall Candle. Whew. When I tell you, my friend Keisha was raving about this candle for a while. And I'm like, really? She's like, Nadia, yes. I'm like, she's like, yes. I just got it, so. I can't, it smells so good that I can't even describe the scent. I can't. Well, let me just tell you how she describes it. It's a blend of coconut and brown sugar with some citrus. So coconut, brown sugar, and citrus. For me and my scent preferences, this is more of an all over, but I mostly concentrate this in my living room / walkway, because as soon as someone enters my house, I need them to experience this. I need them to experience what I experienced. As soon as you walk in, I need your spirit to be changed. I need you to have a good vibe. I need your energy to come correct, to come into my house. I need your energy to be on 100% positive. I just need the vibe to be right. And this candle definitely sets the tone for anyone walking in my house. Well, to be honest, I really don't have people come to my house because I'm kind of antisocial and people don't really come to my house. But you know, I imagine people will come to my house. And if they did come to my house, I need them to have this scent. But when I do come in the house, or my husband comes home, or the kids come home, or my sister, you know, this just sets the vibe. It just puts you at just such a relaxing, happy, just smell good, feel good kind of mood as soon as you walk in the house. So definitely the entryway, or the living room, or anywhere. You can burn this one anywhere, even the bedroom. I burn this in my bedroom sometimes. This is an anywhere candle, but I prefer it to be the first thing you smell when you enter my house. This is also a top favorite candle from her. Top scent from her is the Bohemian Fall. If you guys don't have it, definitely try it. You guys will not. Oh my goodness. It's so good. So good. And I think the last candle I have to show you guys, because all the other ones that I've purchased, I've, you know, discarded the containers, and I'm just now starting to save them so I can go over them with you guys, or even when I do an empties video. But this is a miniature one. I wanted to try it out before I got the big one because I wasn't sure, and I'm definitely getting the big one. This is the Nag Champa, if that's how you say it. The Nag Champa candle. It is finished. But the Nag Champa candle was one of my, oh, I loved it so much. I really loved the Nag Champa candle. I'm definitely going to get the bigger version. But this is another candle where I need you, whoever comes to my house, the imaginary people that come to my house, I need the vibe to set when they enter my house. So this is another candle that I'll burn in the entryway, or the living room, or even my bedroom, or even all over the house. This is an all over the house burner right here. This is an all over the house candle. But definitely in the living room or the entryway, because it just opens up, it invites such a nice warm, friendly atmosphere. This candle smells so calming, so refreshing. It just lifts your spirit. I wish I could describe it, but I can't describe it. This does have a little bit of spice scent to it, very little bit. And to me, it's a clean, like, meditation. Like, if you wanted to meditate, I would like this candle to meditate. Like, you know, it's a very clean and relaxing, get in the zone, raise your vibrations kind of candle, get into your chakras kind of candle. And meditation-wise, I would like this candle. Like, it really basically would uplift the vibe in your house. You know, that's how I would describe this candle in words if I could. And that's why I love it, because I'm all about having, you know, a positive vibe. I'm all about energy and vibrations, and this candle just makes me just feel like uplifted, and it raises my vibration. That's why I love this candle. This is also one of my favorite products from her. So I'm definitely going to get the full size version. Love it, gone to bed. And I think those are all the products that I have from her. If you guys do want to purchase anything from her, you can use my coupon code. Like I said, I am a brand ambassador. And if you do use my coupon code and my link below, it is an affiliate link. So I will get a little bit of, you know, a little bit of compensation for using that link. It helps me to support my channel, helps me to buy more products to review, and to, you know, I do reinvest the money that I make from my channel back into my channel for you guys. So it will help me to purchase more products to review and try it and recommend for you guys. So that coupon code is right here. It is Kaya10. If you guys are interested, definitely use it and save some money and also help me grow my channel as well. And she also just came out with a rewards program. So the more you purchase, you'll get points, and as the points add up, you'll be rewarded for being a loyal customer. So big things are going on. She had some big things. I remember with the company, when I first started buying from the company, it was like, you know, to see her evolution just makes me so stinking happy. Just to see how she's just coming up. Her hustle, it just inspires me. It makes me so happy. Like I rep for this brand. I really do. I honestly rep for her. I rep for her brand. I just do. But anyway, let me stop talking about her, because I think it's more about her why I rep so much, because of her personality, of her hard work, her dedication. That's why I'm just so, you know, Natural Annie Essentials down. So big ups yourself if you're watching this, and big up yourself. I'm so stinking proud of you. But anyway, this video is long enough. Let's get on to the giveaway. We'll be giving away 2 items for this giveaway. You'll win a candle of your choice. So whichever candle you want. If you win the giveaway, you pick the candle and we'll have it sent out to you. You can go based off of my recommendations, or you can pick whatever one suits you from the descriptions on the website. So a candle of your choice, and of course the face gel as well, because I get a lot of questions about my skincare, and I think this plays an integral role. So if your face does well with aloe vera gel, then this is a product for you, and I want you guys to try it as well. So a candle of your choice and face gel. Now, I'm going to put all the rules and the requirements for the giveaway in the description bar. You have to read it. And the reason why I'm not telling you the giveaway requirements is because as of right now, I don't know what they are. I didn't make it up yet. But I needed to film this video because I have time today. And the way my time is set up, I use it wisely. So I'm filming this video way in advance. Right now the date is, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, today is November 12th. My job is closed, and by the time you guys watch this, by the time you guys are watching this video, it's November 26th, so it's weeks in advance. But my job is closed and I have time today, so that's the reason why I will type it in the description box when I come up with the rules, because I don't know it right now. I'll be honest. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your love and your support. Don't forget to support Natural Annie Essentials. I have my coupon code below for you guys to use to get save some money on her items, and also help me grow my channel, to buy more things to review for you guys. And that is it. Good luck with the giveaway, and thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Bye.